Good morning, everyone. I will show you quickly how to get on with this homework and then hopefully help you build a homepage. We need to build a homepage for a festival, for a music festival, based on a scenario, music festival based on a scenario attached to the assignment. So looking at this scenario here, we have the assessment brief, what the client wants. We have the description of the event, okay, that we need to use on our web page. We have the address location, or what's it called, the location of the event or the organizers. And then we have the price, ticket prices, and how to book the tickets. So, and we will need to add an image to our page. It has to have an image. With this, I gave you a structure, the structure of the page. So very important to understand the structure, the HTML structure of a web page. So as you know, you always start with the doc type with HTML, declaring that the document is HTML. And then you have the HTML itself, the tag, the head where all the styling is, and the title, the site title. Then you'll have the body where all the content is, the content that people see on a browser. So that's what your people will see on the browser. They won't see what's in the head, they will see what's in the body. And then let's have a look. So you use this as an example, and we need to go to the online editor, because I know you have issues with working with Chromebooks. So use the online editor, open the link, and then we have our online editor. It gives us a template. So we don't need this link here. It's an external CSS sheet. We don't need it. We can keep the H1, okay, and turn it into our music festival. Best, okay, the best music festival. Okay, so we have our title. What we will need an image, okay, and we will need more headings. This is a heading, okay. The H1 is the highest, is the biggest heading, and then we will need different headings based on our structure, So we will base our work on this structure, okay. What do we need to do? Next, we need to log in. You must log in to be able to upload your image. So I'm gonna use my school account and see if I can log in. Done. So I am logged in. So let's have a look now. Next thing to add is the image. How do we add an image in this online editor, with this online editor? Just go to plus and then upload your image. So you need to have an image ready to upload for your project, for your website. Mine, I used pixabay.com to get my image, and I uploaded it from my computer. So you download this to your computer, then upload it in the editor, and then copy URL, close this window or this tab, and then I'll come to here and create an image tag. Create an image tag, IMG, then the source of the image equal, and then I'll put my URL, okay? With the image, I will just add an alternative task in case the image doesn't work. So now I'll say annual music festival, annual music festival, and then I can add the title tag, a title attribute, and this will show when you hover your mouse over the image. I will do music festival, maybe 2024. So that's my tag, my image tag. Then if I run, I have it. Can you see now? If I hover my mouse, this is the title I see. Music festival. So this is the title I see. Here you go, music festival as the title. When you hover a mouse, you see it. if the image doesn't work, it will come and show this alternative text. It will show this alternative text instead. So we have our image. We need now another heading for, so let's have a heading 2 and then call it event description. Event description followed by a paragraph. So I have my paragraph. I need to get the information from my sheet, my brief. So the information is this in the scenario. I'm gonna copy all this, copy all of this, then come to the online editor and paste the information. Run again, and I have my second now. I have my second heading plus the information. After this, I will need the location. Let's have a look at the structure. HTML page structure. I will need another heading. Another heading for the contact information. So I can just copy this and try. Copy and see if I can be faster. And paste. So copy and paste. I have it. I'll come here and then copy these three. Contact information. Let's see if I can do it same. Okay, if I can do the same, it'll be nice. So, line 1, just call it strawberry fields. Strawberry fields. Okay, strawberry fields. Acre Lane. Acre Lane. And then postcode and town. Town, let's say Fairground, Fairtown, Fairfield Town, Fairfield Town, and then postcode is F54, no, FN4, FN4, 0TG, for example. This is postcode, okay? So I have my local, my event description, I have my contact information. I run again. I have my contact information. I made a mistake there. I need to change it. I need a closing or an opening angle bracket. So the next one now is, I'm gonna just copy this, paste it because it's the same structure I will need. And then instead of contact information, I will say ticket price. Ticket price, okay? Ticket price. And here I'll put, what do I need for ticket price? General admission and VIP admission. So general admission, £50, and VIP admission, VIP admission, 150 maybe. Let's have a pound sign, £150, and I don't need the third one. Okay, so run again, and I have my it's giving me an issue with this pound sign. Let's have a look. Okay, that's fine. 50 and 150. So what we need to do now is booking. The last one is booking tickets. This is not the booking price, it's fine. And then booking tickets. So I'll keep this one. I'll use this. Copy and paste booking tickets, and then I'll come and take the P tag. Come here and use the P tag. So this is more or less what we need to do in our home page. Okay. Now the last thing I need to add is a link. I'm gonna add the link to maybe 2025 festivals UK. Okay. Festival calendar. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this as a link, as my link. And then I will have a H3 as my subtitle, section title, and then other festivals in the UK. There you go. Other festivals in the UK. And I'll have my A tag. Okay, href equals. So now I put my link, okay, and then I close my tag, and then between these two tags here, between the between the two tags, I will write what I want, okay? More festivals in 2025. Let's say we have this as a link now. Look what happens. If can you see? More festivals in 2025. So I have my page now. Very simple page. It's a home page. It has a heading, few headings. It has paragraphs. It has an image, and it has a link. Very simple. So now what I'm going to do is to make sure to style my fonts. My background. I want to change some colors. Style. So if I come to the head section and do styling, so the first thing I want to style is the body. Okay, so the body, I want it to have a different background, a somber background color. You can see when you and then I'll do, shall I do black, not black, maybe purple. Okay, I'll do purple and run. Okay, so I have my color purple. Okay, you can choose whatever color you want. Make sure you do the color for 11 to 19 years old. Okay, so now I want to change my heading 1 and make the color equals to gold, and the font size, can you see when I type font, you have all these to check if you want, but I'm interested in the font size, and I'm gonna do 40 pixels. So that's the size of the font, and I'll run it, and then I have my color and my, so now I'll do the same for the H2, and I'll choose the same color gold, but the size will be a little smaller now. Size, and it's size I put as 34 pixels. 34 pixels. I'll do the same with H3, and then I will choose the color as gold. Okay, and the size, the font size. The font size is, I'll put H3 as 28 pixels. 28 pixels. Okay, so now all I need to do is the P tag, the P tag, and then the P tag I'll put the color as, let's try silver and see how it goes. And the size, the font size, very important, font size as 18 pixels. 18 pixels. So let's run it and see how things go now. Okay. Silver, not so we have our contact information, our booking tickets, let's be consistent. Booking tickets, and I will add the image. I will do the image, the tag of the image, img, and then I will change the width of the image to maybe 800 pixels, and let's see if it gives me a better image. Okay, that's fine. I like that. All right, so we have created a home page with a heading 1, an image, a heading 2, a paragraph, and then few headings that are heading 3, and followed with other paragraphs to follow. Now the link, again, the link, I have to change the link and change maybe the size of the heading 3 is too much. I'll make it 24. And the link, I'll change the color to light blue. Color, I'll put light blue. Let's see if you'll give me light blue. Yep, there you go, light blue. So now, and the font size, I'll make it similar. Font size, and I'll do 18 pixels. So now you have your page. Now you have your page. What I need you to do is to click on these 3 dots and download that the file. Download the index file. You can keep it. Download. I don't want to download not JS, sorry. Delete. I don't want to download the JavaScript. I just want to download. Okay, delete and delete. So we just keep the index.html and then click on the 3 dots and download, and it downloaded for me. Can you see? So then you come to the assignment, close, and attach your index.html here. So if I go to downloads and I have my index open, and voila, then you hand in your work. Don't forget to hand in your work, and voila. So that's how you do the home page. I count on you to take some time and do it, and I look forward to see what pages you came up with. Okay. Okay, I'll leave you for now, and I'll see you very soon. You take care. Bye.